Hello there, thanks for visiting WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac. This evening we're seeing mostly clear skies, few spotty showers to our west, but those will continue to die down as soon as the sun sets. So overnight we're looking at mostly clear skies. Action possible over the thumb region. It will be very light in nature by tomorrow morning as we're waking up, headed to service, or maybe even to brunch or any outdoor activities. We're expecting lots of sunshine, so don't forget the sunglasses, sunscreen, less humidity too. So if today you are having a tough time with your hair and just sweating quite a bit, tomorrow you won't have to deal with it. And by tomorrow afternoon, we're still looking fairly nice. Clouds will begin to increase. Most of the rain stays to our west, but overnight on Sunday into Monday, we'll have few rain showers moving through. And as you can see here, our evening on Sunday looks a little dicey, mainly to the south, but it will be mostly showers that will continue to move on out quickly. So tonight's lows will range anywhere between 58 and 64 degrees, less humid air filters in tonight, and by tomorrow it sticks around, lots of sun early, more clouds in the afternoon, and that slight shower possible mostly into the late evening hours. Monday we do have that chance for rain happening before dawn. 82 degrees will be the high. 4th of July looking nice, partly sunny, 82. By Wednesday we're looking at thunder and a good chance for rain Thursday with a high near 85.